Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen, this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So the total area I have taken for this house is width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. In the front we have 3 feet wide outdoor sitting area or plantation area on the left side, and we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also TV unit on the front wall, and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the left side, so we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. Also we have dining counter with 3 chairs and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of dining area. After that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and wardrobe arrangement and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the tiny house. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.